Today we're going to bring a universal case, and if you guys heard it, yes, there's metal in this thing. This thing can fit pretty much any phone out there. Right now we do have a Droid. It's a Galaxy S26 Ultra, the largest phone out there right now. Of course, there's foldable ones, but this is a universal. That means it could actually manage to hold anything. It comes with this strong grip here, so you won't drop you secure your phone in case you flip over or you're in a roller coaster. This is a perfect way to actually take your phone with you. Now, there's a little belt buckle here thing, if you guys see that, and then it opens up. Now this thing has magnet, all right? This is magnet, so not only are you going to secure with the actual lock itself, but you secure with the magnet too. Now a great thing about it is it's flexible in here. You can see it's flexible, and there's actually hard cover in both ends, all right? And in the back you get the universal belt clip, right, which I'm going to show you here. This is a Ultra 26, the largest phone there is out there. So on this one, look at this, at ease. And of course, because it has magnets and stretchable here, you guys can see this is a bungee, stretchable bungee. And of course, to secure the extra security, just lock it in place. And of course, I'm really sure that this thing will not fall for anything, even upside down. Even if you disconnect this, look at this, even if you disconnect this, nothing, because this is magnetic too. Like I said, and your phone comes out at ease. All you have to do is you can lift this up, if you guys can see that, and just lift it down out, you know. So this is the Ultra 26 phone. We'll lock it in place, and I'm gonna put it on my belt so you guys can see how it looks. All right, in order to make this work, of course, you need a belt clip, but if not, you could do a pocket protector too. So you got your phone case in here, and you got your belt, and that's pretty much it. So this is versatile. It could go left or right, doesn't matter. You could even put it in your back. It has a great holster, if you guys can see, to get your phone out. Easy. Put your phone back in. Easy. Close it. If you forget to close it, it's fine. You know, this is magnetic. Clip. And if you guys notice something very important that you guys probably didn't even catch, is that this phone has a case. If you guys notice, it has a case, so it's a lot thicker than what it is. All right, so that's another thing that you guys didn't even notice, because this thing is universal, like I said, for anything. And of course, you can always hide it in your pocket, you know, if you're walking through a dangerous area. But the phone case, double lock, there you go. So very simple, out of the box. Hope you guys enjoy this video.